generating 100k monthly by selling ebooks using your smartphone is very much achievable. Even if you don't have selling experience and you have never made money on the internet before, I just want to let you know that it is very possible for you to generate 100k monthly, provided you know how to teach people how to do stuff. Maybe you know about how to make liquid soap, or maybe you know how to design graphics, or maybe you know how to attract clients, or maybe you know how to teach people how to travel, okay, how to bake cake, how to lose weight. Whatever you know, you can actually make a lot of money, as much as 100k and beyond, from creating and selling your ebooks on the internet. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make 100k monthly by selling ebooks using your smartphone. Now, if this is the first time you are landing on my channel, I want to say welcome to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that can help you make money online and grow your business. So if you're someone who is looking for ways to make money and you have knowledge about something, you are skilled at doing something, and you have experience that you can teach people, then I want you to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how you can start making money for yourself by selling ebooks. All right, before I go into the video, I want you to kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you will be notified that I have posted a video. All right, so having said that, let's quickly jump into the video. Let me show you how to make 100k monthly by selling ebooks using your smartphone. So number one is for you to choose a profitable niche. You need to research popular topics and areas of interest that have a demand for your ebook. For instance, you know how to bake cakes and you want to teach people how to bake cakes. The fact that you know how to bake cake doesn't mean you just go ahead and start creating an ebook. No, you need to make some research. Okay, you need to find out what exactly is the challenge that people are having when it comes to baking. Okay, that's the only way where you can actually create something that people really want to buy. When it comes to ebook, you need to consider picking a niche within your expertise, within your passion, and you can even have potential customers that are interested in buying. That is if you pick something that people really want. Some good niche, some example of some good niche can be sex and relationship, make money online, travels, real estate, and many more. Okay, you can pick what works best for you based on the challenges or the demands in your niche. All right, apart from just picking a niche, one thing I also want you to know is that you are not just picking a niche. You need to break down that niche into something that is very specific. All right, you need to be very specific. For instance, if you say you want to talk about sex, maybe your book is about sex and relationship, you're not just picking sex and relationship as a niche. You are breaking it down. You're going down to the sub niches. Okay, for instance, what exactly do you want to talk about when it comes to sex and relationship? You need to niche down. Very important. For instance, let me use myself as an example. I create ebooks. When it comes, I create content about how to make money online. But when it comes to ebooks, okay, when it comes to selling ebooks, I create ebooks that teach people how to make money online by selling ebooks. Are you getting this now? So my niche is in the make money online area, and my sub niche is teaching people how to make money from selling ebooks. Are you getting it now? All right, so that is number one. Very important. You need to choose a profitable niche. Okay, number two is that you have to go ahead and create the content. Okay, you create valuable content. Now this is the stage where you need to put your contents together. Okay, whatever idea comes to your mind, put it together, gather your content. Creating an ebook is very easy once you have full idea of what people really want. Remember, I told you this is the stage where you need to write your ebook. So you write an ebook that provides valuable information or solves the problem within your choosing niche. So for instance, now if I decide that I want to teach people how to bake cakes, okay, I want to teach people how to bake cakes, all I need to do is to go ahead and make some research and find out what are the challenges around baking of cakes, and then I'll put all my contents together and begin to write. All right, you need to ensure that your content is well researched, well organized, and written in clear and engaging manner. Very important. You need to write like you talk. Okay, you're not just writing articles or maybe you copy and paste. No, you want to write like you talk so that people can actually connect with what you are creating. Okay, you can use word processing apps or writing apps available on your smartphone. For me, I use Google Docs. Google Docs is a very perfect app that you can use to write your books. Okay, you can also use Microsoft Word and other apps that helps you to write. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is that you go ahead and design an attractive cover. Very important. In this stage, you have to design a cover that is eye-catching, okay, that can grab people's attention and make them want to buy your book. You don't just want to post the book like that. No, you want to create something that people will see and they want your book. You can use free graphic design tools like Canva. All right, Canva is free to use. A beginner can learn how to use it and start making money and start creating graphics for their ebooks. Okay, you can use Canva to create professional looking covers. Now, if you don't know how to design covers, I've created a video that will show you how to design your ebook cover. All you need to do is to check it in the link in the description. I'll drop it there for you. Just go to the link in the description. I'll drop the link to a video where I showed you how to create a book cover for your book. All right, that's number 3. Now, number 4 is for you to format your book. Okay, you need to format your book. Use ebook formatting tools or apps on your phone to ensure that your book is properly formatted and for different reading devices and platforms. Now, you're not just formatting or editing the grammatical error. You are also paying attention to the fonts, the headings, your content, your paragraphs, your layout of your book, your links. Very important, your links. Okay, you want to make sure that you have your social media accounts in your book so that you don't just want people to read the book alone. At least you want them to take some action. You want them to follow you on social media. All right, you want them to click a button. So you must make sure that the links you are putting in your book are links that are clickable. Don't make the mistake of adding a link that when people finish reading your content and they love what you have just written and then they want to click the link and the link is not clickable. Don't make that mistake. So you need to check very well. That is why it is important to do your formatting. And of course, don't forget that you need to check for grammatical errors. All right, you need to check for grammatical errors. Now you can use Grammarly to do that. Okay, that is number 4. Number 5 is to choose a platform. After you've finished editing and you've finished everything, you need to host your book online. So that is the importance of why you need to choose a platform. You select an ebook distribution platform that allows you to host, self-publish, and sell your books. A popular platform includes Amazon Kindle, Selar, Ebooks, and other platforms that you can use. But for me, if I'm going to recommend for you, I'll say that you can use Selar. I use Selar to host all my ebooks and it is very easy to use. Very easy to use. If you don't know how to host your book on Selar, I'm going to drop a link after this video. Okay, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you check the description. Very important. I'm going to drop a link for you on how to host your book on Selar. All right, that is number 5. Number six is that you set an attractive price. Pricing your book can be very tricky, especially if you are starting out. I've seen examples of a lot of people coming to my DM, messaging me and telling me they don't know how much price to sell their ebooks. But a good way to set your pricing is to use the following metrics. Now follow this. If you follow these metrics, you know how to price your book. Now, if you are going to price your book, you need to think of your goal. How much do you want to make at the end of your selling? Okay, do you want to make 100,000? Do you want to make 200,000? Do you want to make 500,000? With that, you have a goal, and then you can work with that. All right, you can work with that. The second metrics you need to look at when it comes to pricing is for you to look at your competitors. What are their prices looking like? Okay, compare their prices. If you're selling an ebook, you can start with 2,000 naira. Okay, if you're scared of putting up price, you can start with 1,000 naira, depending on the value that you have in your book. You can also use your customer avatar as your metrics. What that means is that you want to check who are the people you're selling your books to. How much do you think they can buy your book? All right, that is what a customer avatar is all about. Are they doctors? Are they people that are working class people? Are they students? Okay, if you're going to be selling a book to students, you know that your price should not be 10,000 naira. Okay, if you're going to sell a book to business owners, you know that you can put your book at the price of 5,000 and people will buy as long as they are business owners. So the thing here is for you to be able to set your price. All right, you need to understand how these things work. Okay, you need to understand first of all your goal, secondly your competitors, and the third thing is your customer avatar. Once you know all these things, you can set your price. All right, so let's say for example you want to sell your books, you want to make 100k, all right, from your ebooks. What you need to do is to fix a price. All right, say we fix a price of 2,000 naira for the book we are going to be selling. It means that we're going to have to sell to 50 persons for us to make 100,000. Are you seeing how this works now? So this is the metrics. This is how it works when it comes to setting your price. But at the same time, don't forget, you don't need to make your book expensive. Okay, you want to make 100,000, so you need to make it easy for people to buy. You need to make it affordable. All right, for me, I'll recommend 2,000 naira. Not bad. Okay, not too cheap, not too cost. Okay, so that is number 6. Number seven is to promote your ebook. Okay, once you finish hosting, the next thing is to promote. A good book is as good as a good book. If you don't promote it, it's still a good book, but you don't make money. Are you getting this now? You need to leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn to market your book. You need to create engaging posts. You need to share snippets of your content. You need to interact with a lot of people. You need to keep showing up, posting about your book, all right? Promoting your book. Now, there are 2 ways for you to promote your book. You can actually use organic method, which means you're not paying for adverts. And number 2, you can use paid ads. The difference is that organic method will be slow, okay, will be slow, but paid method will help you get results faster. All right, my advice for you is if you're starting out, you can use organic methods, but if you have money, you don't need to waste time. You can pay for adverts and start running ads to promote your ebook. Okay, number 7 is to promote your ebook. Now, number 8 is to expand your reach. Okay, number 8 is to expand your reach. As you start promoting, you will be making money for yourself. You start making some money. The good thing there is don't spend the money. You can reinvest that money into building and sustaining the business. That's how you make money. When you keep promoting, when you keep doing the thing that makes it work, when you keep doing it on repeat, continuously, consistently, that's what helps you to make money for yourself. Okay, that is 8. Now, before I forget, don't forget that you also need a landing page. Okay, you need a landing page if you want to be making money from your ebooks. You don't just want to send people from your advert and straight to your inbox. No, you're going to have a lot of people that are interested and they are not buying. So what you must do is to create a landing page so that you can pre-qualify these people to be sure that they want to buy your product. You don't want every kind of person to just come to you and and not buy at the end of the day. You understand? So that's the essence of landing pages. If you don't know how to do landing pages, I'm going to drop a link also. Okay, if you want to learn how that works, I'm going to drop a link that will give you access to where you can learn more about landing pages. Okay, so that is where I'm going to stop for this video. These are 8 steps that you can follow to start making money from selling your knowledge. 8 steps you can follow to make 100K monthly. Now, if you really want to learn how this works, you want to learn how I do it, I have created some resources that can help you do this. Okay, very easy for you. Now if you look at your screen now, this is one of my ebooks. This is an ebook that will show you step by step, that will show you all you need to know about creating and selling ebooks. Okay, I've made money from this ebook. So if you really want to learn how it works, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. This ebook, I'm going to drop the link to how you can gain access to it. It just costs 2,000 naira. Just 2,000 naira, you will gain access to this ebook. So to get it, go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop it there for you. All right, so that's all I can take for this video on how to make 100K monthly from selling ebooks. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I put out another video, you'll be the first to notified. Please don't forget to check the link in the description. I'm going to drop all the resources that you need in the link in the description. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.